Hey Bulldozer, why are you walking so slowly? Like a snail wearing a helmet.
Hey, that's style. It's called walking elegantly. Let the ground know who's boss.
Boss. You just push the ground, I'll dig a deep hole until I find my childhood dream. Stable.
But if you slip, you could fall into the hole yourself. Me? Stable, bro.
Yeah, stable, disturbing people's sleep every time you push gravel.
Better to disturb sleep than to make a hole that makes people get lost.
By the way, do you exercise? Your body is all square.
You? Long arms, crooked neck, like a confused stork.